Many Americans have medical problems that are treated with prescription drugs, surgery, or both. But is that really the best solution? Do drugs and surgery address the true problem or just mask the symptoms? In this video, we'll discuss those issues. So in America, we're blessed to have the best emergency medical system in the world, crisis care. By no means am I anti-medicine. I don't ever want to go back to a day where we don't have insulin for severe diabetics or anesthetic for surgeries or antibiotics for a true infection. But without a doubt, we are the most over-medicated country in the world. The statistics prove that. In the United States, we're only about 5% of the world's population, 5% of all the people in the world. But we consume 70% of all the world's drugs. 70% of the drugs. So if taking drugs made you healthy, then we should be the healthiest country in the world. But instead, we consistently rank near the bottom on health status when compared to other industrialized nations who take less drugs. Unfortunately, all drugs have side effects. Truly, there are no side effects, only effects. Many effects and one desired effect. Think of the best-selling class of drugs in the world, cholesterol-lowering drugs. An example would be Lipitor. It has been proven to be an incredible moneymaker for the global drug industry, approximately $200 billion per year. Now the other effects, not the desired effects, but what they would call the side effects, are things like liver dysfunction, kidney failure, muscle pain, nerve damage, memory loss, depression, cataracts, to name just a few. All of these effects, all generated by the same chemical going into the body. These side effects can also be deadly. According to the Journal of American Medical Association, 106,000 people die every year from just the side effects of medications. These are properly prescribed, properly taken medications, not overdoses. As opposed to that, NUCCA is true healthcare. Instead of what is called healthcare in this country, which is actually sick care, NUCCA seeks to get your body to work optimally, regardless of the symptoms that you're suffering from. Now, no drug has ever cured any condition. Drugs are a band-aid at best, covering up the problem for a while and leading to more and more dependence on medications. All of this dependence on medications usually leading to the problem getting worse over time. The average person in America now is taking 12 medications every day. 12 medications a day. Without a doubt, that is crazy. God designed our body better than that, don't you think? So what about surgery? Is that the answer? Spinal surgery has some of the poorest outcomes of all medical procedures. So many people have poor results and end up in worse shape after the surgery than before that they had to create an official diagnosis for the condition called failed back surgery syndrome. Spinal surgeries are also extremely expensive, costing tens of thousands of dollars with or without insurance. So surgery should always be the last option to cover up the symptoms. But wouldn't it be better to rebalance the spine with NUCCA?